Frigo, it's like, we are changing, but it's different from whatever you see. Frigo is like, you can say, it's the smart solution. It's instant. You have access directly to the nutritional benefits of the food that you need on a daily basis. And we have a supply chain. It's the best food you can get on town. We're defining the way people are eating in their workplaces, but it's different from whatever you see in the market. Frigo is like, you can say, it's the smart solution. It's instant. Frigo is between health, convenience, and accessibility.